Hello everyone, welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we are diving into an important and fascinating topic, India's dilemma over fighter jets. Now we'll explore why India is in a tricky spot when it comes to choosing fighter jets and why the US and Russia play such a big role in our defense decisions and what the future holds for India's indigenous fighter jets. So buckle up as we take off into the world of aerial defense. Now, to start, let's understand why jets matter so much. Students, imagine an army without advanced weapons. It would be like a cricket team playing uh, without a bat. In fact, in modern warfare, air superiority, that is, controlling the sky, is crucial. And countries that have advanced fighter jets can defend their airspace, they can easily launch attacks if it is necessary, and they can stay ahead of any potential threats. Right? So now let's bring India into this picture. The Indian Air Force has about 32, uh, yes, 30 to 31 fighter squadrons. 30 to 31 fighter squadrons. But ideally, it should have 42. Okay? To be fully prepared for any kind of conflict. This means India urgently needs more fighter jets, right? Now, let's come to the global part, global players like US and Russia. Historically speaking, students, India has depended a lot on Russia for its fighter jets. And many of our aircraft like MiG 21, Sukhoi, Su 30 MKI, and MiG 29, they are Russian made. But in the last decades, India has started diversifying, meaning that we have started buying from other countries as well, like France and US, right? Now the question is, why is there a shift? Why our country started buying from other countries? Well, relying too much on one country can be risky. See, if Russia faces international sanctions or technical problems, it could affect India's defense supply. So, India is looking at alternatives like the US made F-35, US made F-35, and the French Rafale jets. Okay, so US made F-35 and the French Rafale jets. Right, now talking about F-35, since this fighter jet has been in news, right? तो अगर हम F-35 की बात करते हैं तो रिसेंटली मीटिंग हुई थी यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और हमारे इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी के बीच में, राइट, वेयर Trump suggested that India could consider buying the F-35 joint strike fighter, which is one of the most advanced jets in the world. Now, when we talk about the speciality about the F-35, see, first of all, it's a stealth fighter. Okay, it's a stealth fighter. Stealth fighter का मतलब क्या होता है कि it can avoid radar detection, है ना? Enemy के radar में ही नहीं आएगा. So it's a stealth fighter. Secondly, it has advanced sensors and communication systems. So this allow way to coordinate attacks better. ओके तो उसके एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है, तो सेंसर्स है, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम है, सब कुछ एडवांस है. एंड इट कम्स इन 3 वर्जन्स, वन फॉर द एयरफोर्स, वन फॉर एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर्स एंड वन फॉर वर्टिकल लैंडिंग्स, राइट? तो 3 टाइप के वर्जन में आता है. हाउएवर, F-35 हैज वन मेजर डाउनसाइड. एक मेजर डाउनसाइड है. अब इसके क्वालिटीज तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी, सुनने में भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, स्टेल्थ फाइटर है, 3 टाइप के वर्जन में आता है, एडवांस सेंसर्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा हो जाएगा इंडिया के लिए, तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंडियन एयरफोर्स के लिए तो काफ़ी अच्छा हो जाएगा. पर एक मेजर डाउनसाइड भी है. मेजर डाउनसाइड ये है कि इट इज एक्सट्रीमली एक्सपेंसिव. सी द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन सिंगल जेट is over 100 million. Okay, So cost of F-35 upwards of 100 million per aircraft, and maintaining it will require new infrastructure and training. Also, the US hasn't made a direct offer to India yet. It's just an option that is being discussed. तो ये चीजें हैं जो अभी F-35 के साथ चल रहा है, right? While the US is pushing the F-35, India was earlier working with Russia on a joint project, the Su-57. Su-57. ओके, तो अब यूएस तो अपना F-35 पुश कर रहा था, यहाँ पे रशिया के साथ इंडिया एक जॉइंटली प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें काम कर रही थी, जिसका नाम है Su-57 फिफ्थ जनरेशन फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट. ओके, so fifth generation fighter aircraft Su-57. India initially invested around 295 million for preliminary design in hoping that to develop an advanced jet together. But the deal fell apart because Russia wasn't ready to share all technology. ओके, तो रशिया थोड़ा सा वो था कि नहीं, सारी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं शेयर करेंगे वो, एंड द कॉस्ट वर टू हाई. ओके, और एक और रीजन है जो इंडिया ने दिया है कि इंडिया वांटेड अ टू सीटर वर्जन विच वुड हैव डिलेड द प्रोजेक्ट फर्दर, राइट? तो इसीलिए ये जो डील थी ये थोड़ा सा अभी फेल अपार्ट हो गई है. So in 2018, what happened? India pulled out of the Su-57 deal and decided to work on its own indigenous fighter jet. Okay? तो इंडिया ने फिर कहा कि नहीं जी, अब हम अपने खुद से इंडिजिनियस जो इंडिया में ही डेवलप टेक्नोलॉजी है उसके सहारे हम अपने फाइटर जेट्स बनाएंगे, राइट? तो अगर हम अब इंडिया के इंडिजिनियस एफर्ट्स की अगर हम बात करें, तो सबसे पहली बात तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको भी पता है कि रिलाइंग ऑन फॉरेन कंट्रीज फॉर डिफेंस इज risky and expensive option for India. So India has been working on its own advanced medium combat aircraft. Okay, AMCA, AMCA, advanced medium combat aircraft. This is a fifth generation stealth fighter. Students, this is a fifth generation stealth fighter. तो ये क्या है? Fifth generation stealth fighter है, right? And it is expected to fly by 2026. तो अभी ऐसा होपफुल है कि भाई 2026 तक ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और जो इंडियन एयरफोर्स है उसमें इसको कमीशन कर देंगे, राइट? तो बाय इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू रोल आउट बाय एंड 2026 और अर्ली 2027, right? And it will be ready for induction by 2034. Now talking about AMCA, this project is quite important. First of all, why it is important? क्यों? अरे भाई, इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिल रही है ना फाइटर जेट टेक्नोलॉजी में. इंडिया won't be relying on any other foreign nation, right? So it gives independence in fighter jet technology to India. And apart from this, it also creates job. अगर हम कोई टेक्नोलॉजी अपने घर पर बना रहे हैं, हम अपने होम कंट्री में बना रहे हैं, so it also creates jobs, and this boosts the local defense industry. Moreover, it ensures that India isn't dependent on any other power like US or Russia. हम खुद के पास, हमारे पास कैपेबिलिटी हम खुद बना लेंगे, right? But there's a catch. See, developing fighter jets is quite a tough task. US and Russia have been making them for decades, while India is still catching up. And there are also delays in projects like Tejas Light Combat Aircraft LCA MK2, है ना, due to issues with engine supplies. तो कुछ डिलेज हैं जो इंडिया में चल रहे हैं, जैसे कि LCM-K2 के रिगार्डिंग भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसमें अभी डिले हो गया है. सो व्हाट शुड इंडिया डू? See, with all these factors, India has three choices. Three choices India के पास. Buy the F-35 from the US, and this would give India cutting edge technology, but at a very high cost. Second, reconsider the Su-57 with Russia. Now, this is unlikely since India has already pulled out. And third, invest more in AMC and LCMK2. Now, this would take time, but this would make India self-reliant. So, what experts are saying that India should focus on a mix of options. Buy some foreign jets for immediate needs, but invest heavily in AMCA for the future. ओके, तो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए अगर देखा जाए, इमीडिएट जो नीड्स है उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए तो फॉरेन जेट्स खरीद लिए जाए, लेकिन फ्यूचर के लिए एएमसीए जैसे इंडिया के जो इंडिजिनस प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उसमें हेवीली इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत है। ऑलराइट, तो ये सारी चीज इस आर्टिकल में कही गई है। तो अगर समराइज करना है, सबसे पहले क्या हमने डिस्कस किया कि इंडिया नीड्स मोर फाइटर जेट्स टू क्लोज द गैप इन आर प्रेजेंट स्क्वाड्रन। Then we discussed about US. The US is offering the F-35, but it is quite expensive for us. And then Russia Su-57, which was an option, but is no longer in India's plan. And then the AMCA project, which is India's hope for self-reliance, but it will take some time. So, students, while India has many tough decisions ahead, one thing is clear: the future of India's air defense will depend on a balance between foreign purchases and indigenous development. All right. So that's all for today's episode, students. I hope you found this discussion informative and easy to understand. Right? Now, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friend. Until next time, stay curious and stay learning and keep learning. Bye bye.